Hi, my name is Sarah.
I'm her husband, Jesse.
We've been married for a couple years, and a couple months ago we finally bought our first home.
So before that, we were living in an apartment. It's kind of small and crowded, and we're excited to have a nice backyard where we can grow a garden.
When we decided to start our garden, we began looking for a tiller at the big box stores. I'm not a professional, so I wasn't exactly sure what I was looking for, but I knew that what they had wasn't exactly the quality that we wanted it to be.
I didn't like what we saw at the big box stores. They seemed pretty flimsy and one season only use, not very durable. So I did a little more research. I found Orec America. They have a Gardenquake rear tine tiller. Looks very robust, professional. Feel like I could get a lifetime use out of it, and I'm ready to go break some ground.
We just got done using the Gardenquake in our garden. It was easy to use, very durable machine, worked exactly as we expected it would.
I'm very glad we got this machine. It was a lifelong investment. I'm very happy with it. It was a lot of fun tilling up the garden, and I look forward to expanding our garden.